Hi, I'm Shannon from houseimprovements.com. Have you been dreaming of more affordable and plentiful toilet paper? Well, recently, so have I. I've logged a lot of time coming up with a solution to this crappy problem. It really stinks that so many of us have been caught with our pants down in this situation and have had to take the plunge and run all over town trying to build our inventory. What if I told you I have a way that you could double or even triple your current supply? That's right. The TP you currently have on hand is likely already 2-ply, and if you're flush with cash, may even be 3-ply. 3-ply. That's got to be like wiping with a kitten. Anyways, like I said, the TP you currently own is multiple layers, and I have a patent pending design that I'd like to show you that could double or even triple your TP supply and save you from dumping your hard-earned cash down the drain. Well, enough with the puns. Wipe that smirk off your face, and let's take a plunge right into how this thing works before you're in trouble for using the last square. So I found some of the kids' old toys and started coming up with an idea and playing around with it, and this is kind of what I came up with. So you can see you can take your single roll here and split it in this case into 2 rolls, or like I said, if you really got some cash on you and you own 3-ply paper, you can run a 3rd roll up to there. But you can see in this case you're obviously splitting 1 roll and creating 2 rolls, so in effect saving you half as much money and doubling your quantity. Couldn't be any better than that. So just basically a bunch of gears and stuff here, and like I said, it's all patent pending, so hopefully see it on the market here next time we need it. So you've got the ultra easy to use at home version just by simply turning that. Or if you want to really amp things up, you can add a little power to the whole system and really blast through the rolls. So I think that's pretty self-explanatory. If you want to be the first one on the waiting list to get your own bathroom multiplier, make a comment below in the video. Oh, and April Fools. You can still comment, but obviously this is April Fool's joke, people. Please nobody take it too seriously. I just thought in light of everything going on in the world right now that it was maybe kind of relevant, and we all need a reason to smile these days. So I appreciate that you watched, and if you enjoyed the video, I'd love if you'd share it. Obviously click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel if you never have, and if things that we do here at House Improvements, which typically isn't this, but if you check out our channel and the things that we do normally you really enjoy, we'd appreciate you being one of our subscribers and following along with us every day. So I appreciate your time. Everybody stay safe.